Up for sale is a 7.5-foot Fisher truck snowplow converted to a tractor plow with skid steer plate. Plow's in very good condition. A couple of very small dents, no rot, no rust. Clean plow. All sanded down, painted with oil-based paint with hardener. Call or text with any questions. Thanks for looking. Included is this 3-point skid steer plate adapter. The adjustable arms adapt anywhere from 8 to 43 inches. Removable top link. And a 2-inch receiver. Removing your trailers. It says a weight rating of 4,000 pounds for the manufacturer.
Well, take your time.